Hi, happy Halloween. This is our draw. I'm going to draw a friendly ghost today. So let's go grab a Sharpie. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a big old friendly ghost. I'm going to do the head here. So let's do a nice sweeping head here. Bring it right down to the base there. We can then sort of draw like the base of this ghost, sort of flaking around. Maybe it spits out there a little bit. Bring your pen up like that. Maybe just leave a little gap there. Then I'm gonna just draw a little arm coming up here. So sort of like the sheet is coming up. I'm gonna draw a big oval there. I'm gonna just join up there. Then on this side, what I'm gonna do is maybe it's coming out a bit closer. So I'm going to draw an oval like there and then sort of join it in to the edge of my pick. Maybe just draw a little curve there. Gonna draw a thumb there, then maybe 1, 2, 3 fingers there, just popping out. And then here I've got another sort of arm coming out, so I've got a thumb there, then maybe 1, 2, 3, and pop that in there. All right, and then maybe I've got sort of like happy sort of look, so I'm gonna do a couple of little ovals there. A couple of little curves there. Just sort of bring those up, join those up like that, colour them in. Gives them like a sort of happy eye look. And maybe just going to do a little curve like that. Just draw a little funny mouth under there. Maybe a couple of little creases there as well. So in here, I might just fill these bits in. I think that might work really well. Just add a little bit of sort of shading to our character, either side. So let's fill that a little bit in too. And then I'm just going to pop a few little bits of cross hatching in, or a little bit of hatching in. Just going to put some little curves with the pen across here, just to add a bit of 3D-ness to my pick. Bring it across here, start curving around as I get to that point. Maybe it sort of creases up here and down there. Just add a few little bits in along the way. In here, I suppose that's got a few. That one too. And maybe just a couple of little curves in the hands. Maybe a couple of little expression points. Maybe sort of saying boo. Yeah, that's cool. And then what I'm going to do, grab myself a pen, which is sort of a grey-blue. I'm just going to do an edge to him. So I'm just going to sort of start at the top, bring my pen down, bring it down on the edge there. Just add a few little sort of tapered lines in there around the edges, maybe there, around there. Maybe what I'll do is just colour these hands in blue. Yeah, that's quite cool. And then just sort of maybe just a little effect, or give him a little bit of character just on the edges there. He's floating in the air, so let's just pop a little circle there to kind of ground him. And there we go, there's a happy ghost for Halloween. All right, see you soon. Thanks for watching.